Okay, question 9. The volume of water in a container is given by V equals 8h to the 2, where h is the depth of the water in the container. Water enters the container at a rate of, now you have to read the units here, that's centimetres cubed per second, so that is a dV by dt equals 2, that's the rate of change of volume there. Enter the rate of increase of depth, so dH by dt equals question mark when h equals 6. This is the basis of the question. So we're going to need to get an expression for dH by dt. In order to get there, we're going to have to do dV by dH. So differentiating this expression with respect to h is going to give us 2 times 8, which is 16h. And then to get dH by dt, we could do that by starting with dH by dV times by dV by dt. So to get, from here, we can dV by dH, we can say dH by dV is just going to be the inverse of what we've got, and then that would become this part here. So I'll put that step in, 16 over h, times by dV by dt, which in the question is 2. But to get to this here, we could also rearrange up here this with respect to h and put h equals, and then differentiate h with respect to v in order to get to this step, and you'll end up the same place. It doesn't really matter, swings and roundabouts. But either way, this is the step that's being introduced in this question here. So 2 times 1/16 is an eighth, so that's going to be 1 over 8h. And then all we need to do is, when h equals 6, dH by dt equals so on and so forth. So it was the requirement to flip this upside down is the key part to this question here.